You guys have seen Throttles 240 that they're giving away. In the background of some of the videos, I've given you guys some updates about it. Well, today, they actually finished it 100%, and it looks so good. Calvin really hasn't seen the car, and he's purposely been keeping an arm's length away from it because he wanted to see it in the final form. And because it just got finished today, Calvin's gonna see it for the first time, and I'm really excited to get his reaction. And Throttles said we can also go be the first ones to rip it because no one's really even driven it yet. So I happily am taking the reins on this, and we're gonna go rip this 240 around. I wanna show you guys what they did to it because it's literally amazing. It's perfect in every way, shape, and form. Ooh!
Moment of truth.
Shit, dude.
Oh!
Oh, you can't. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Take a look at your ex-girlfriend.
You have to turn me around.
Normally when you break up with your girlfriend, you want her to get uglier, not more hot. But this time, bro, this time.
You're hyping me up, man. I don't know what to expect here, dude. Oh! It's not my car!
The last time I had it was the Dickmobile, which was your fault.
Anime pee-pee on the side of my car. This is not my car anymore. What color is this? What would you say this is?
I think they deemed it throttle orange.
Throttle orange.
This is you screwing up, bud.
Let's not look up the skirt.
Woo! That's your same motor. This was what you had.
One hell of a
bunch of upgrades.
Goddamn. Wow. You guys took care of this car for sure.
It looks a lot different.
It doesn't, I mean the color does. Yeah.
Like it's all there, but this is like everything done proper way.
It seems.
This is what I saw at the end of the tunnel when it was under your ownership.
No, this is definitely not what I saw. This is not what I saw. This is a good route and a beautiful one, and I love it. It's super cool. This is what I would have done if I kept the car because of the thing that we wanted to do didn't happen.
What do we want to do?
Remember Long was supposed to get
yep.
Can't keep that in there. I'm gonna say that I'm upset because you bought that kit, the
3.5.
3.5, so that I could get the kit for this.
Yeah.
Right here is exactly what I wanted to do. Because before there were big metal lines, big ugly metal lines. Anybody that's doing like restoration to cars that don't have ABS, this is what you want to do. Look at what Throttle's doing to this car. I can't, wait, is this a giveaway car, bro?
Yeah.
Is this car, you're giving this away?
Ends in 2 days.
Yeah, by the time this video goes live, there's 2 days before this car goes.
2 days or 1 day?
2 days.
2 days. It ends on Sunday. This Sunday.
June 30th.
June 30th. This car, the entries close.
I can't believe you're giving this away.
I can't believe it either.
This isn't.
This is the nicest thing you guys have ever put together, and it's like leaving.
This is an S tier car.
What are the parameters, Ev, to enter the giveaway?
Every $5 you spend with us, whether it's on car parts or merchandise, gives you an entry to win. It's that simple. I hope you put the link in the description. Put the link in the description.
I'll put the link in the description.
Let these guys get in.
CTSV conversion and in the back. And I remember when you asked me, you're like, oh, we want to do a hydro. You're like, should we go inline or do the dual caliper? And I was like, 100% send it with a dual caliper.
So this is Z32. It's a twin Z32 setup. Brand new StopTech rotors all around. And then the factory handbrake actually still works too.
Yeah.
So we have a handbrake, we have the hydro, and obviously just regular brakes.
I want to show that, yeah, the interior, it would make more sense when you see it.
I'm gonna sit in it. I haven't sat in this car. I haven't sat in this car in so long.
It was blue.
It was blue.
You had the blue interior, crack dash.
This was the crew who actually went to go pick up the car originally.
That's right. We all three went to buy this car. When we got it, it was all three of us. Dude, the interior breaks my heart. It's just insane.
This is beautiful.
Street Faction, door cards.
Essentially, the old 240 had door cards. There were no, the cubby there was basically nothing. So this is a great.
I don't even remember.
It was just a shitty, like, carpeted, like, door card.
Pulled out the blue interior, like,
instantly.
in like 2 seconds, so I don't even remember what it looked like.
I remember vividly. This used to be blue with the couch carpet on the side. It was,
it was like a weird, like, striped carpet.
I can't believe that this is a great upgrade. Beautiful.
Yeah, it looks really good. I don't know how well you guys can see
Speakers in
it.
there, some new.
You're not losing.
Still the manual, but you got some new cranks on there. It's pretty cool. It's pretty race.
This is a race spec.
Flocked dash.
Look at this.
Suede working hydro. Do the short shifter. Oh,
that's so far.
Yeah, you need to scoot up.
Oh, but it slides.
Yeah, and actually it's sliding. Like everything about it is just like too good to give away.
Can I buy it off you?
Starter it?
Can I buy it? Can I get back?
Yeah, I was gonna say, what would it take for you to like cancel the giveaway?
Skunt. 2 days. 2 days, it's gone.
I'm trying to buy this back, dude.
20 grand.
Sorry.
20K right now?
Cash. Why would you 25K cash?
Nope.
What if I traded you my FD for this car?
What if we gave away the FD instead of this car?
FD plus cash on your end, and then you upgrade to giving away the FD? That's a decent deal.
I don't know, man.
Adam LZ who?
Whoa!
Adam LZ who, dog? Damn, and this has an angle kit too, right?
It has full GK Tech arms in the rear, and in the front, GK Tech lower control arms.
Yeah, I saw the picture of the build list that you guys have, but it's just like a mile long of like stuff.
All the things.
Dude.
Oh, it feels good in here. This
It's
is
just
nice. All of these
rear seat delete.
these memes are nice.
Also, something too that I noticed, Kev, is they got rid of the column that was here.
Yeah.
A little mod. So like this is relocated on the right hand side. This is normally over here. And to do that, they made room for the hydro. So you have room for the hydro, the shifting, and a working e-brake. So
Does
we
it
got
actually-
the best. Yeah, it actually works. Best of both worlds.
Mine didn't work. When I had it in this car, it didn't fucking work.
Hit him with it. Ooh! I can't believe you're giving this away. It's just like the nicest. It's.
Hold on, let me make sure something's super clear. It sucks, and we've worked so hard to build this car, but when that winner comes and they like see it for the first time and they drive it for the first time, like it makes it all worth it. Like it makes someone's dream come true, and it's really cool. So it's really cool to be a part of that.
Imagine being like 16, 17, 18, whatever it is, because you have to be 18 to win. Yes, technically, legally, you have to be 18. But imagine not having a car, like saving up for your car, and then you win that.
Woo!
Dude, I'd freak out. Dude, the turbo sounds like my 350.
Makes that little whistle.
It's that like jet whistle noise. I think we gotta go for a little drive just to reminisce. What are your thoughts right now?
Dude,
Just
okay,
seeing your
so-
ex-girlfriend after like how long?
First of all, the glow up, for real. The glow up, I was mean to you. I always loved you. It's just you weren't for me. And like now I'm trying to. I think she's for me, dude. No way, dude.
Would you mind if I?
I mean for Tej?
It's a little homie love, dog.
I am a homosexual out here, but I love my homie. I love my homie Tej. Eat my ass.
I'll look for you. I'll do the homie look. Oh, you're 100% gonna scrape. I would back up and try again. Oh, it's gonna happen.
Great. Okay. Go ahead.
Oh, oh wow. Tight butthole. This is now making 290 horsepower, where before I think it was making, they said 230. So it's faster. Oh, she's got the juice.
Oh, she's got the turbo.
She's got the juice,
She's got
brother.
the Turbski. Tej.
How those brakes feel?
Goddamn, Rocket Bunny with a full turn radius. Not even TJ's car's got that.
Give her some juice, bud.
Give her some juice.
I want to feel her. There's all these cars pulling out and shit.
Dude, I don't want to run into these guys, dude. The last time I locked up my wheels. And no ABS for the win. Woo! It feels rock solid. The SR20 has always been great. I love this car, dude.
I gotta give her some juice, bro.
Yeah.
You think she does skids, brother?
Ah, dude. Got him.
Oh, she's got juice, bro.
Oh, she's got juice.
But, Calv, it's not a full send without a proper Bernie. 100% give this the thumbs up approval. I'll put a link down below for those that are interested in trying to enter the giveaway for this. This thing is 100% legit. I'm honestly bummed that Calvin let this thing go. It ultimately wasn't my decision, and he wanted to get rid of it to help fund his Porsche support, which a lot of you guys are aware of, which he's really working hard on, so shout out to Calvin. But this thing is mad clean, mad awesome, and it was built in this shop. So I really hope that one of you guys ends up winning this thing, because I'll be super, super jealous. And I hope to see it on the track doing some skids, because with the angle kit and the hydro it has on it, it's literally just asking to be ripped on. Want to give a personal shout out to Kevin, my boy Jumpy over there, Kuya Calvin, and Alicia. We are leaving for Puerto Rico tomorrow. And speaking of Puerto Rico, June 30th, hope to see you guys there. We're gonna be doing a movement giveaway. We're bringing 10 watches for everyone in line at the pop-up shop. You're gonna get, well, not everyone in line, but 10 people in line for the pop-up shop will get a free movement watch. Don't forget, is it first 10?
Did you want random 10 or first 10, baby?
I don't think we've really gotten that far yet, Kev. 10 people in line will get a free movement watch. That I do know. And as always, you can use code TJ10 if you feel bad if you don't get one. You can always get 10% off of your own watch. We're trying to crank out these orders to get as much done before we leave for Puerto Rico, because we're gonna be gone for a couple days. So I just want to give a little mad love shout out.